Hey guys, welcome to another video of Data Science with Sameer. In this video, we will learn how to install Python in our system and create virtual environment. So let's begin. So the first question is, why to install Anaconda instead of directly installing Python? Python is a very versatile language. With Python, you can develop web application. You can use Python for data science. You can also use Python for artificial intelligence. However, if we install Python in our system, we need to install all the required packages separately. Here, Anaconda Rescue the Beginner. Anaconda comes with all required packages. So let's see how to install Anaconda in our system. I have opened Google Chrome and now I am typing Anaconda. Here is the official website of Anaconda, www.anaconda.com. This is some details of Anaconda. Anaconda is a distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing that aims to simplify package management and deployment. Anaconda operates on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. We will click here, installing on Windows. If you are a Mac user, you can click here. If you are a Linux user, you can click here. We will click on download the Anaconda installer. This is the download link for Windows. Here are the details of Python version, Python 3.9, 64-bit graphical installer, 510 MB is the size of the exe. With Anaconda, you have access over 8,000 open source data science and machine learning packages. With just one installation, you can access all the details. With one installation, we can also get all this Jupyter Notebook, Spider, NumPy, Bouquet, sklearn, pandas, matplotlib, conda, pytorch, bouquet, numba, everything we will get in one installation. So now click on download. We have already downloaded the file, so we are not downloading here, we are cancelling it and we are directly going to the file. So this is a Anaconda exe. Like any exe, we need to double click on that file and it will give a pop-up window and we need to click next. We need to agree to the agreement and we need to select just me or all user as per your own comfort, and we need 3 GB of space in your hard drive. We will click next and it will get installed. I have already installed, so I am not installing it now. After successful installation, we will type Anaconda here. We can see Anaconda PowerShell prompt and Anaconda prompt and Anaconda navigator. We will run Anaconda PowerShell prompt as administrator. We have already installed Python and all its required packages. Now we can use Python for data science. Let's run Jupyter Notebook. Now Jupyter Notebook is ready to use. We can also create our new environment. So let's see how to create our new environment. For that, we will run Anaconda PowerShell. Currently, we are in base environment. Let's create our new environment. Conda create -- name, and then we have to give a name, my first environment, and we will install Python with that. Yes. Now it is getting installed. You have to put yes again. So it is collecting all the data and it is going to recreate. virtual environment. Still we are in base environment, we need to activate our environment. Now you can see here my first environment is selected. Let's install Jupyter in our new virtual environment. We can access Jupyter Notebook now. We have successfully created our virtual environment. In this video we have this much. In next video we will learn about Jupyter and how to use Jupyter for data science. Thank you so much for being with us. Do like, comment and share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel. Bye bye for now. Thank you.